Hello everybody. I know it's been a while since I've had a video, so it's good to be back. This video is for a project share for Daisy. I'm on her design team for Tsunami Rose Designs. It's her printable kits and ephemera and that type of stuff. So I'll have all her links down below. And the digital prints I chose to use for this month was the Life of Bloom, and it's the Traveler's notebook size. So I decided to make a little Traveler's notebook. This cover I made using fabric from Walmart and a file folder. So this is what I came up with. Sewn edges, 2 pieces put together with the file folder, and then here's my little charm that's removable. It's all the little beads and attachments, some little dangles, a little pencil spot or pen, whichever. I added that into there, and a little ribbon for closure, and then it opens up. And this is her Life of Bloom kit. The inside of this fabric is also from Walmart. So I just sewn around, made some pockets. I have some extra ephemera cards here that she has on her, in her kits you can get. I'll try to go through really fast because there's 2 signatures. But here's the Life of Bloom. It's a lot of detail in these. I just really loved it. They came with different ephemera, you could cut out and that kind of thing that came with the kit. So I added those in there. Some paper for journaling because it is a traveler's notebook, and I just added my own little washi tape there. So different little sections, little fold outs. This is all lace I added to that. And some more of her kits. It's a really pretty set. And then she has these little pockets. You put the cards right in. They're already like pre-made for her. All you have to do is cut them out. So I just added some fabric and stuff to that. More journaling spots. Another tuck spot. Look how cute these little kids are. It's adorable. She has little tags. All you have to do is print them out. It's really cute. Gorgeous set. I just added some more things to it. She also has postcards. So it's really cute. This is the center page. It's another one of her prints. More tuck spots. It's really like gorgeous detail she had on there. Very pretty. Love this kit. Lots of tuck spots, little writing spots. And here's the center of the first journal. There's little pockets here. You can put stuff, that kind of thing. Some more of her designs. They're just super pretty. Layers upon layers in there, you can see. And I just printed mine on copy paper for this book. Some more little sewn. Little flowers. There's another one. Oh, it's not too dark. Excuse me. A little tuck spot there. Excuse me again. And then she has these little ephemera ones here, and I just added some trim, more cards. Sorry, tickle in my throat. And then I just added some lace here. This is a pretty long signature too. She has a variety of pages for them. So I did 2 signatures, and no 2 pages are alike. She had so many pictures or pages for you to print off in her kit. So I have 2 signatures and then no pages alike. A little tuck spot. There's some more lace I put over this one. Little bingo cards she has. She also has these little tabs where they're double, so you can, you know, use them on the end here. I chose to use mine as a part of my ephemera. Right there too. And that was just the first signature. And this is the second one. All different papers. It's a little charm. And if you made it this far into the video, thank you. I know it's been a while since I've been on, but I don't really create as much, but I will be back. Uh-oh, this one's stuck. I'm gonna have to fix that. But I will be back to recording a lot more. And then this one will also be a giveaway. So if you stuck around this long to look at my creation by using Tsunami Rose Designs, just put down below in a comment, incorporate the words Tsunami Rose Designs into your comment, and you will be entered to win this, because I have no use for it. So I'm going to give it away. It's all the different layers. So we'll flip up. It's a little of her postcards that she has too. So yeah, it's good to be back. I'll be doing a lot more videos. I'll do a live here soon. Tell you what I've been up to, but some more of these. But I just loved this kit that she had, so this is what I chose for the design team. And she always has like some kind of special going on, 50% off type deals. So be sure to check out her links down below. And if you're interested in winning this, be sure to incorporate her name into this. Don't put down in the bottom that it's a giveaway though. I'd like to keep it just for those who actually listened and watched. So that's the base of it. Lots of stuff. And there's the final one, and then you have another pocket here. This was made with the file folder, fabric, file folder, fabric, and then I sewn them together. A little pencil tie. So that is my little design team project share for Tsunami Rose. And I thank you so much for watching, guys, and it's good to be back. I know I see a lot of you in lives, but can't wait to catch up some more. So thank you for watching, and you all have a great day. Bye.